guys, Miss Taylor here, and today I wanted to do something a little different. It's called Storytime Yoga, and today the story that we're going to do our yoga to is called We're Going on a Bear Hunt. So stay tuned. Alright, so first we're going to start off with some stretches. It's really important to stretch before you exercise. Open your body so you can take in everything from our yoga. Touch our toes and reach up to the sky. Alright, now let's have a seat on our mat. Roll your head from side to side. And before we start, we need to put our hands to our hearts and say Namaste. Do a few more belly breaths. We breathe from our bellies and not our chest. That's always important. Take in your environment. Take in everything around you. All right, let's begin. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. Jump your feet wide. Take your arms wide, making yourself as huge as you can. What a beautiful day. Jump your feet together, reach up to the sun and say, "Hello, sun." Now bring your arms to your hips. We're not scared, no way. Uh-oh, grass. So put your feet together. Put your arms up to the sky. Long, wavy grass. Swish from side to side. Side to side. We can't go under it. So get on your mat as flat as you can. Raise your arms up. We can't go over it. So get on your knees and get ready to go into downward dog. Can't go under it. Get your feet to your mat. Put your hands on your side. We have to go through it. So swing your legs and say swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. And try to keep your balance. It's okay if you lose it. Just keep trying. Swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. Jump your feet wide, arms wide. What a beautiful day. Jump your feet together, reach up to the sun and say, "Hello, sun." Now bring your hands to your hips. We're not scared, shaking our head. Uh-oh. Wrap your arms around yourself and shiver. It's a deep, cold river. Oh no, we can't go under it. Get back on your mats. Get in your snake pose. We can't go over it. Go into downward dog. Oh no, we've got to go through it. So now we're gonna paddle, get on our bellies and go splash, sploosh, splash, sploosh, splash, sploosh. All right, we made it. Let's keep going. March, march, march. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. Jump your feet wide, arms wide. What a beautiful day. Jump your feet together, reach up to the sun and say, "Hello, sun." Now bring your hands to your hips. We're not scared. Uh-oh, mud. Thick, oozy mud. Oh my goodness, bring your feet up. Feel that oozy mud on your feet. Ugh. My goodness. We can't go under it. Get flat on your mat. Get flat as you can. Go into your snake pose and into downward dog. We can't go over it. Oh no. We've got to go through it. Now we have to take big steps through this mud. And while we do that, we say squelch. 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 Oh my gosh, we made it through. Let's keep going. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. Jump out, arms wide. What a beautiful day. Now jump your feet together. Reach up to the sun and say, hello, sun. Now bring your hands to your hips. We're not scared. No way. Uh-oh, a forest. A deep, dark Now coming into tree pose, one foot on top of the other, hands together, and grow your tree up tall. Oh, it's a big, dark forest. Oh no, we can't go under it. So let's get back on our mats. And then we're gonna go into our snake pose. And we can't go over it. Into our downward dog. Oh no, we have to go through it. So coming back to stand. Now we're going back to our tree pose. Put your hands together to your center and grow all the way up and bring your branches out. Now Miss Taylor wonders if she can blow all of your trees down, so you stay tall and strong and I'll have a go. Here I come. Do 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 do. Wow, you guys are so tall and strong. Good job. Let's keep going. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. Jump your feet wide, arms wide. What a beautiful day. Jump your feet together. Reach up to the sun and say, hello, sun. Now bring your hands to your hips. We're not scared. No way. Uh-oh, a snowstorm. Jump your feet wide, arms wide, and begin to swirl. It's a swirling, whirling snowstorm. Oh, we can't go under it. So let's get back on our mats. And lift ourselves up into our snake pose. We can't go over it, going into downward dog. Oh no, we've got to go through it. And now we're gonna sit on our mats and cross our legs. Now cross your fingers and put them behind your head, and like a washing machine, we're gonna go through the snowstorm. Woo, 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 woo. Good job, everyone. We made it. Coming back to stand. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. Jump your feet wide, arms wide. What a beautiful day. Jump your feet together and reach up to the sky and say, hello, sun. Now bring your hands to your hips. We're not scared. No way. Uh-oh. A cave. Jump your feet wide and take your arms wide and bring them above your head, coming into your cave pose. It's a dark, gloomy cave. We can't go under it. So let's get back on our mats, on our bellies, raising our arms into snake pose. We can't go over it. Going into our downward dog. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Coming up to stand. It's very damp and drippy, so we tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. Very damp and trippy. What's that? We stop and we put our hands out to feel. What is that? Bring your fingers to your nose. One wet, shiny nose. Now bringing your hands to your ears. Two big furry ears. Then we cup our hands and put them over our eyes. Two big googly eyes. Then we lower our hands and we hear the most enormous roar. Coming down to our knees, everybody. Let's get back on our mats. And after 3, we're going to do a big roar. 1, 2, 3. Roar! It's a bear. Coming up, everyone. Quick, back. Tiptoe, 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 tiptoe. Now through the snowstorm, crossing our legs, crisscrossing our fingers in the back of our heads. Woo, 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 woo. Now back through the forest. Now coming into our tree pose, 1 foot on top of the other, your hands together, grow up tall, try not to wobble. Now we have to go through the oozy mud, coming to stand. Squelch, squelch. Now we need to swim back through the river, so everybody get back on their mats on their bellies. And go splashy, 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 splashy. Now the long wavy grass, coming up to stand, finding our balance. Swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. And the other side, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. Now we get back to our front door and get down on our knees, taking our leg out to the side, bringing our hand up, and we open the front door. Ooh. In we go. We run inside and up the stairs. Oh no, we forgot to shut the front door. Coming back downstairs. Back to the door, getting back on our knees, leg out, arm up as we shut the door. Ooh. Running, run, run, up the stairs, into our bedrooms where we get into our beds, under our covers. Ooh. Now we get to lay on our backs, resting our arms on our mat. And we lay there and listen to our hearts, and we are never going on a bear hunt again. And here we are, safe in our beds, breathing from our bellies and not our chest. We're resting our minds from the big bear hunt we just had, and we're just taking in everything around us. Remember to breathe from your belly. Just relax your body and your mind. Now we can start wiggling our fingers. And coming up from our mats, you can stretch as much as you want. As we come together to our center, Take a deep breath. And to close out, close your eyes and say namaste.